Hi there, this is Ayu from Japanese with Ayu. 皆さん、こんにちは。Ayu です。はい、そう、今日の動画は How to suggest your ideas to other people. So basically, I'm gonna tell you how to say, why don't we do this? Hey, shall we do this? Hey, would you like to do this?in Japanese. Okay. And I'm gonna teach this phrase along with the Genki book. So if you have a Genki book 1, and you can go to the chapter 3. This is a grammar in chapter 3. Alright? And I'll give you a quiz later. We can practice after this. And also I made a free PDF. So if you want to download this free PDF, you can go to the link in the description below. You can just put in your email address and you can get that free PDF in your email box. Now, let's get started. In the previous video, we learned how to say massive form. Like we learned the conjugation of the verbs. Do you remember? And there's ru verb and u verb, irregular. Anyway, so ru verb, drop ru, and adding masu or masen. U verb, change to e sound, and masu, masen. Okay? If you haven't watched that video, you should go to this video first and come back here later. Okay? Now, how to ask, would you like to do this? Why don't we do this? So, we gotta use the negative form of the verb conjugation. So we learned something masen. Okay? So let's say, hey, why don't we drink coffee? So the verb is drink. Nomu. Nomu. How do you change it to negative form? It's nomimasen. Nomimasen. Okay? And now you put ka at the end, and to make it a question. 飲みませんか? 飲みませんか? Don't forget to put the object beforehand. So, コーヒーですね。コーヒーを飲みませんか? So, this is a sentence that I'm saying コーヒーを飲みませんか? Which is, hey, why don't we drink coffee? So this is a negative question, but it's actually saying, why don't we drink coffee together? コーヒーを飲みませんか? 飲みませんか? はい。Okay, now I'll give you another example. How do you say, shall we or would you like to watch movie? Same for this. So make a negative form first. And then adding a question, か? And don't forget the object before. So, watch is 見る. Negative form, 見ません. か? Question. The object is movie. 映画. 映画を見ませんか? 映画を見ませんか? Alright. Okay. Now, I want you to do it. I'll give you some time, okay? How do you say, shall we go to Kyoto? Why don't we go to Kyoto? I'll give you 10 seconds. Hi. どうですか? 京都に行きませんか? 京都に行きませんか? Okay, did you get it? はい。So, I'm actually doing this practice from the Genki book. So if you have a Genki book, it is a page 98, 98ページです。That's for third edition. And part 5, that's the practice. We just did 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now let's do number 4. Can you say, shall we eat dinner? Why don't we eat dinner together? Actually, if you want to say together, together is 一緒に. So you can put 一緒に first. 一緒に eat dinner. 一緒に夜ご飯を食べませんか？一緒に夜ご飯を食べませんか？ Okay. はい。Next. Study in the library. Would you like to study in the library? Why don't we study in the library? So place first. 図書館で勉強しませんか？ Repeat. 図書館で勉強しませんか？ Okay. Next. Why don't we talk at the cafe? Would you like to talk at the cafe? カフェで話しませんか？カフェで話しませんか？ Next. Drink tea at home. Why don't we drink at home? Would you like to drink tea at home? Place. うちで object. Tea is お茶 or お茶 is green tea. 紅茶 is black tea. So whichever you like. うちで紅茶を飲みませんか？うちで紅茶を飲みませんか？ And last one. Listen to the music. Would you like to listen to the music? Would you like to listen to some music? Or you can actually put some particular music like, would you like to listen to BTS or something? 音楽を聴きませんか？音楽を聴きませんか？ If you want to put that music of BTS, we learned it particle before as well. BTS の音楽を聴きませんか？ BTS の音楽を聴きませんか？ Okay. So this is how you ask or propose your idea. It's like a make a suggestion. Okay? Why don't we do this? Would you like to do this? Kind of thing. Something ませんか？ Negative question. Verb ませんか？はい。Alright. So now, this is very useful if you want to suggest something, ませんか? And if you are the one who's asked that suggestion, like proposed, you can say, あ、いいですね。いいですね。はい、いいですね。飲みましょう。飲みましょう。ましょう is let's do. So if someone said, コーヒーを飲みませんか? You can say, あ、いいですね。Sounds good. 飲みましょう。Let's do. 飲みましょう。And if you want to reject, ちょっとコーヒーは That's okay. That's it. It's enough. If you say ちょっと like this, you know, way, this tone, they would understand, maybe not. I made another video for this. Like, you can literally say ちょっと to reject. You don't actually have to say it, but you say, ちょっと then that's okay. コーヒー飲みませんか？ちょっと、コーヒーは、コーヒー好きじゃないですか？ちょっと、コーヒーは、お茶飲みましょう、お茶。いいですよ。っていう感じになります。So, ちょっと is really convenient word. そして、another thing I want to teach you today is a frequency word. Like, every day, often, usually, sometimes like this. you need to remember this, so you can say like, I do that often, I don't do it, I never done it, something like that. So first, every day, 毎日 Okay? So 毎日朝ごはん食べますか？皆さんどうですか？ Do you eat breakfast every day? 毎朝朝ごはんを食べますか？ Next one. よく is often. よく、よく本を読みますか？よく本を読みますか？どうですか？はい。And usually is 大体 And you can find a word 大抵 in lots of books. But I think personally I would use 大体 more like also not only me, I can see people using 大体 a lot. So I would teach you 大体 as a usually. So 私はだいたい夜12時に寝ます。皆さんはだいたい何時に寝ますか？ Please let me know your answers in the comment section below. Okay? And next one is sometimes. 時々。私は時々ゲームをします。Actually, I don't. 私は時々お酒を飲みます。時々お酒を飲みます。はい。Now, it's negative word. あまりめったに全然。So, あまり is not much. So, these words, you need to have negative sentence after this. So, あまり something ない。あまり something しません。So, あまりお酒を飲みません。とかですね。めったに means like seldom. Very do it. So, 私はめったにゲームをしません。This is right. 私はめったにゲームをしません。はい。で、全然 something ません is like never. You don't do it at all. Okay? はい。私は全然アニメを見ません。全然アニメを見ません。But now I'm watching Spy Family. So this is really, really rare case for me. I think this is the first anime that I watched since I became an adult. Honestly. はい。じゃあ皆さんどうですか？ I'm gonna ask you a question. Please let me know your answer in this comment section below, okay? じゃあ皆さん、はい。スポーツしますか？スポーツ or workout。スポーツをしますか？ So you can answer with these words. 例えば、スポーツ。毎日スポーツをします。毎日ワークアウトをします。私は、大体、ワークアウトをします。So 大体 I'm saying like three times a week. So 大体 usually. はい。not 時々。So usually. じゃあ、皆さんは映画を見ますか？映画を見ますか？私は映画はあまり好きじゃないので、あまり見ません。あんまり見ません。あまり or あんまり both are okay. I would say あんまり a lot. But あまり is a little bit more formal, I guess. あんまり is okay. So, 私は映画はあんまり見ません。はい。じゃあ、皆さん、コーヒーを飲みますか？コーヒー、どうですか？私はね、I used to drink coffee every day, but now, コーヒーはあまり飲みません。あまり飲みません。時々飲みます。 皆さんどうですか？じゃあ、日本料理食べますか？日本料理食べますか？私は日本にいますので、日本料理は毎日食べます。毎日食べます。皆さんは何料理を毎日食べますか？何料理を毎日食べますか？じゃあ、お酒を飲みますか？お酒を飲みますか？私はお酒は時々飲みます。時々飲みます。はい。皆さん、アニメを見ますか？アニメを見ますか？そう、私は全然見ません。全然見ません。Please don't dislike me because I don't watch anime. I'm still Japanese and I'm still Japanese teacher. I just don't watch personally. ごめんなさい。But I like Spy Family. はい。そして、if you want to ask, like, how often do you do? Because I've been asking you, like, do you do this? Do you do this? But if you want to ask, like, specifically, how often do you do? You can say, どのぐらいの頻度で、しますか？頻度 means frequency. どのぐらい how? Like, how often? どのぐらいの頻度でお酒を飲みますか？どのぐらいの頻度でジムに行きますか？はい。This is a question. I'm so looking forward to your answers, actually. Please let me know. はい。というわけで、today's lesson, I taught you how to say, shall we do this? What would you like to do this? Why don't we do this? To, make a suggestion, give you an idea, and the frequency words. And how often do you do? I often do this, I sometimes do this, I never do it. Something like that. So there's more variety of sentences that you can say, you can describe. So I'm sure it will be helpful for you. If you want to practice more, please go to the link in the description below and download this free PDF. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked my video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video or in my lesson. 今日もありがとうございました。ではまた次回お会いしましょう。バイバイ、またね。If you want to take my online lesson, go to my website. The link is in the description below. Choose the lesson type and book the day and time. Like so. So you can fill your information here, you can pay here. Before the appointment, please add me on Skype. My ID is AA-YU. I'm looking forward to seeing you in my lesson. Bye!